Hey FOTUNER Legender owners, it's a good news for you. We're launching India's first ever aftermarket GR kit that is exactly like the original GR kit, which includes front bumper trim, rear bumper trim, fog lamp covers, and even front and rear GR emblems. This is your chance to upgrade your Legender to original GR look, like the way it comes out of Toyota factory. Transform your Legender and give it the authentic GR treatment it deserves. Contact us today for wholesale inquiries.